Hello, fellow YouTubers. Do you like my hat? And also fellow watchers at home. Do you enjoy my hat? It's pretty cool, right? I mean, it has ears. If they could move, it would be the only thing better to this hat. Hello, my friends! Welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations. You probably saw that this went by in my hand. Today, we will be painting with hot chocolate, which I expect to go much like the coffee painting, because coffee and hot chocolate are similar in how they look. So not similar in how they taste, but we'll test out both how this tastes, because this is what I'll be drinking. It is a Land O'Lakes classic cocoa, but it has raspberry flavoring in it. We'll find out if that's either good or really nasty. It could go either way. With that said, we are going to get on to painting with it. So, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, wherever you may be in the world. Happy Hanukkah. May you guys have an incredible holiday season, and hopefully you too can have some fun painting with some hot chocolate this year. With that said, let's get started. So, the day I was filming this, it just started snowing, and it is just super duper beautiful outside. And one of the things that I always realize after it starts snowing is I'm so excited for it to snow, and then when it does, I realize that it is so much colder than I think it is, and so I bundle up in like 18 layers, and I kind of wanted to just put that into a picture. I imagined a girl with a scarf around her face, you know, this puffy jacket, as we all, I believe, have at some point or another, and the puffy pants and the boots and, you know, the gloves. Everything you can wear to make sure that you stay warm in the winter was what I kind of wanted to go for in this. And I hope it came away feeling like, for those who are in cold places, that this is exactly kind of how I think we all feel during the winter, is that we want to bundle up and be warm and drink some hot chocolate and enjoy watching the snow as it falls, because it's so beautiful the first time seeing a snowfall for the year. So that was kind of my inspiration for doing this. Like always, I have to have at least once where something goes wrong, and of course, I thought I had hit the record button, and I didn't. So, you have a look at this, and I will finish doing this side of the picture and the happy before the holidays, and I will apologize in advance that there was some line work that went on that was not in the video. You gotta, you know, clap and a half for that, people. You know, and for anyone who knows clap and a half, well done to you. Let me know in the comments below what show it's from. But yeah, so that's what happened. Let's finish this awesome piece before I freak out that I once again have somehow forgotten to push record. Alright, I've had my mental breakdown now. Let's continue, guys. If you guys want to know how the raspberry hot cocoa tasted, I forgot to taste it during this video, so in the next Christmas video, stay tuned for an update on whether or not it was good or awful. Okay guys, so here is the finished piece. I honestly had so much fun with this. Unsurprisingly, what I figured would happen. It is a ton like coffee. I really loved the effect you can get with the coffee on here. I'm sure I might have already said this before, but I am using my $1 marker. I cannot tell you how much I actually love this $1 marker from the dollar store, and maybe I'm just weird, but I really enjoy the thickness and the exact lines I can really get with it. So that's why I have it. I am so incredibly happy I got to do this. This is so incredibly fun. I'm planning on doing a few more videos with some different kinds of things and painting with things. People and everyone, I hope you guys still are enjoying this series. I've been having a lot of fun painting with strange things. It just has kind of become a fad, and I really love it. But I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you have a very happy holidays. I hope you drink some fantastic, you know, marshmallow-filled hot cocoa, because I know after tonight, which snowed all day today in Utah, I want some hot chocolate, and I will be getting some tomorrow morning because right now it's 1:41. But with that said, guys, make sure that if you enjoy this video, please subscribe, help our little channel keep growing. I'm hoping, and this is kind of a goal, that maybe we could reach 100 by the end of December, the end of 2018. If we can, that would be absolutely amazing. If not, we'll just keep growing no matter what. But if we do, I plan on doing an extra little something for a giveaway besides a package of art supplies of my favorite things I love using, which will include some coffee and some tea and even maybe some hot chocolate. But with that said as well, make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see me paint with next. I hope you have a happy holiday, and here are some more videos you can check out. Remember guys, you are incredible. Stay inspired, stay amazing, stay merry, stay bright, and remember, Christmas is a time of magic. So make some incredible artwork with it. See you guys.